but we're keeping our mission to offer poetry programs in Chicago classrooms and at cultural events across the city, and to support Chicago poets. Our monthly 6 Points reading series showcases local and national poets at changing venues in a different neighborhood every month.
I love the newspaper graying in a different air.
Peering into the side of each tooth's mirror smooth enamel.
We create fun and engaging and free experiences with poetry.
Where the South hides, I run water over fear. At descants for recollection.
We hold workshops and special events. We collaborate with other arts and humanities groups to offer programs across genres to a wide audience of Chicagoans. A key part of our mission is to bring poetry to Chicago students. We have 2 kinds of school programs. Poets with Class focuses on performance poetry in assemblies and workshops led by Chicago poets and performing artists. Hands-on Stanzas brings Chicago poets into classrooms on a weekly basis.
Our poets in residence work with the same students each week, reading and discussing poetry, writing original student poems, and publishing their work on the Poetry Center blog.
Poets work with the same class for months and are integrated into the school day. Students in Chicago Poetry Center school programs read poetry, write poetry, perform poetry, and publish poetry. Through our programs, students increase literacy skills and gain confidence. Our goal is to affirm the voices of students across Chicago, to support local poets and teaching artists, and to provide enjoyable, meaningful programs throughout our city. We welcome you to be part of our community. Join us for a free poetry reading or sign up for a workshop or special event. On our website, check out our poetry archive featuring over 4 decades of Chicago poetry readings. Listen to streaming audio from a recent or long past event and browse to find additional resources. Learn more about our school programs online, and please contact us if you have any questions or want more information. And remember,
poetry feels like no fear.
Poetry feels like reading a book in the sky. Poetry is like a city with no noises.
Poetry is like a fun school day.